The ARC drone frame consists of two identical parts. The electronics are mounted between them. Separate the two parts and set one aside. Flip the frame section you're working with and install 4 M3 nuts into the center 4 holes. To make installation easier, use the supplied long M3 screws to press the nuts tightly into the frame so they do not fall out when you flip the frame. Flip the frame back and installs all 4 motors using one short bolt per motor, threading it into the motor. Use the recessed holes in the frame so that the screw heads sit flush with the frame surface after installation. Make sure the currently unused motor mount holes align with the rest of the holes in the frame. Install the controller stack using 4 bolts. There is space under the future VTX location for any wiring or other components you may want to tuck away. When installing the camera with the camera adapter, make sure the adapter slot faces the edge of the frame. The adapter is secured by being clamped between the 2 frame halves, so no extra fasteners are needed. Install the VTX using 4 bolts inserted from the underside into the threaded holes in the VTX. Route the VTX antenna connector through the designated hole in the frame and secure it with the supplied nut. Connect the motor wiring to the motor controller. Route the motor wires through the cutouts in the frame ribs and secure them with zip ties. Place the second frame half on top of the assembly. Make sure the camera adapter and the guide pins fit into their slots properly. Install the remaining motor bolts through both frame halves, 3 bolts per motor. Install the 8 screws, or nuts and bolts, to secure the frame halves together. Flip the assembly over and install the antenna. Install the propellers. There is a high degree of flexibility when installing batteries, payloads, or additional electronics using zip ties. We also provide adapters for different applications like round payloads and fiber optics.